Hello everyone, welcome to 100 Days of Node.js series. In today's video, we'll be discussing about reserved keywords. If you don't know what are the rules for variable naming conventions, watch my previous videos and then come to this section. So if you don't know about reserved keyword are such a thing that are actually used by the program designer or the program provider themselves. Like those are the keywords, reserved keywords. That means you don't use those as a name for variables or for functions or for class because they are reserved. Await, break, case, catch, class, const, continue, those all are reserved. If you, let's say for example, if you pick any of the reserved keyword and if you want to give it as a variable name, it will not let you use it as a variable name. And the suggestion your ID is giving is function is not allowed as a variable name. That you can actually see that, right? Function is not allowed as a variable name. It will give you error. So now if you ace here, it will not make any complaints now. It will work fine. So that's it everyone. We know about what is variable and how we can declare a variable, how to work with the variable. We know that to declare a variable, we will be using var, let or const. What is var, let and const? We will be discussing more about those. But for now, we know that after writing var, we will have to give a space. And while writing var, you don't need to write like that way. You will have to write without any kind of a space when you're writing var. Only after writing var, you can give a space, or you'll have to give a space. And after that, you'll have to give the variable name, right? And after that, you can end the line by specifying the semicolon, or you can actually do the value assignation into the same line by using that way, by writing code that way. After name, you can actually also assign some value. The first one is we call the variable declaration, and the second one we call is variable declaration with value assigned. Both of the things are valid in JavaScript or any programming language in the planet, right? So now if you don't give space in between, this will not work. Like if we write var and we don't give any space and just we write the variable name and we just give it a value, the var is combinedly here working as a variable name. That will not make any error. That's true, because JavaScript will what it will do, it will just entirely take the word and keep it as a variable name. That's why it will not make any error. So let's test the code and prove what I'm saying is not incorrect. Node app.js, right? Now it's showing 90. So what is the biggest value you can keep inside var name? Let's test that. If you run node app.js, you can actually see that you have a number that is now with the exponential notion here, right? All right, we'll be actually discussing more about variable types and all of the things we need to know about variables in the next video. But for now, we want to close this section. Now, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. You will have to make sure that you know now how to declare a variable. Right? Each and every line inside any programming language call statement. Into the next video, we'll be discovering about what is a statement, what is expression in programming language, especially inside JavaScript, where JavaScript is running inside Node, because we are learning the Node.js only here for the sake of learning the backend development. That is 100 days of Node.js learning series. I'm signing out for the day. Into the next video. In the next video, we'll be discussing about what is actually statement and what is expression. Thank you for watching this one. Let's go to the next.